I just learned about the fucking offset thermostat housing. You can tuck that fucking hose out. One last thing, and I finally got the right fucking belt. Alternator's wired and everything. I gotta fucking see what kind of battery tray I go with. This is gonna be off the body somewhere. There's ground. My brother wants to hang the battery tray. Everything's looking pretty fucking golden. All the wiring's did. Gotta ring some hose clamp holders off the firewall to hold that routing a little bit better. That EFI pump in the fucking original tank, run the lines. And then did this fucking cooling fan setup. I had to make these little brackets to put some rubber grommets under them. I thread them so they bolt in through the inside and then they snap on. And then there's she be. It has this fucking opposite bracket threaded through the inside. And yeah. Transmission cooler. I still want to get a mechanical fan though because I'm not a fan of the electric fan. No pun intended. I think a 5-inch will fit there. I'm gonna trim the top of this bracket since it's not gonna be utilized anymore. It used to be the alternator for the serpentine belt setup, but alternator's over there because we're not running a compressor. So I'm gonna lop that shit off and it's gonna give us a nice little fucking line to the cooling hose and make more clearance here with the fucking hood. This hood's terrible. Hope we can fucking find one. Some fool had would have 59 here for parts and he had sold the hood already. Fucking hood looks clean in the pictures. But yeah. Closer than yesterday. I thought it was pretty cool here. I was reading these, which are relays that I'm gonna utilize for the fan and the fuel pump, and they're actually just out of a GM rear AC harness, like from a Suburban, but it does have Hella brand. It's a good brand, I guess. But this is the harness, how it comes all grounded together. I'm just gonna run them under the dashboard, and it should be golden. Pretty simple, in and out, trigger